Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this Tiffany & Co. model TF4117B in color code 8134-3B. It's a Havana blue gold gemstone color frame. On the temples here, we have a Tiffany & Co. logo engraved in the temple, and we have the gemstones over here. It's a gold color temple with a Havana finish. This is the inside of the frame. It's a Tiffany blue color, as well as the inside of the temple tips. There's a Tiffany & Co. logo in gold. This frame is made in Italy, right over there. The other side of the temple is the same. The lenses are a gradient brown color. And on the top left lens, we have a Tiffany & Co. logo engraved in lens. The style of the frame is fashion round. Up here, we get a Tiffany & Co. gift box, a case to put your glasses in, a dust bag, a microfiber cleaning cloth, an authenticity card, and a manufacturer booklet.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.